If your Beehiiv landing page is showing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix so you can get your page back online as quickly as possible. This is a really common issue, and most of the time it comes down to a broken image, a bad URL, or a page that just needs to be republished correctly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Beehiiv tips and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's start it. Let's start by logging into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside your Beehiiv dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and go to Website, then click Builder. This is where Beehiiv lets you manage your site pages, including landing pages. Now find the landing page that's showing the error and open it. Before making any changes, click Preview to check whether the error appears in preview mode as well. This is an important step because it helps you figure out whether the issue is coming from the page content itself or from something else in the publishing process. If the error is visible in preview, then the problem is usually tied to the page setup, broken assets, or invalid links. Next, check all of the images on the page one by one. Sometimes a landing page error happens because an image is missing, failed to upload properly, or was deleted from the source. If you spot any broken images, remove them and upload them again. Then make sure they load correctly after the upload. A fresh re-upload often fixes the issue immediately. After that, go through every URL on the landing page and look for anything broken, outdated, or mistyped. This includes buttons, text links, embedded links, and any external destinations. If a URL is incorrect or no longer working, remove it or update it with the correct link. Even one bad link can cause a page to behave unexpectedly, so this step is really important. Once you've checked the images and cleaned up the links, go back to the top and click Publish again. Republish the page so Beehiiv can apply all of your fixes. After publishing, refresh the live page and test it again to make sure the error is gone. In many cases, that final republish is what actually pushes the corrected version live. If the page still shows an error after doing all of that, go back through the builder and double check for any other missing assets, empty blocks, or malformed links. But in most situations, simply fixing broken images, updating bad URLs, and publishing again will solve the issue. So to quickly recap, log into Beehiiv, open your dashboard, go to Website and Builder, open the landing page, preview it, check images, remove broken ones, update broken URLs, and publish again. That's the fastest way to fix a Beehiiv landing page error without overcomplicating it. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Beehiiv tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.